Just like I always tell you, you don't need expensive products to grow your hair. Sometimes the best hair growth treatments are made from the simple ingredients you already have in your kitchen. And today I'm sharing with you one of my favorite two kitchen ingredients that will help grow your hair faster and thicker within a short period. Hi natural lover, welcome back to Everyday with Mandy. So I know how frustrating it can be when you've tried countless oils, butters, hair mask and growth treatment, yet your hair still seems stuck at the same length, refusing to grow no matter how much effort you put in. I remember I was in that situation some times ago. No matter what I tried, it just felt like my hair wasn't making any progress at all. But everything started to change when I became more intentional about caring for my scalp and incorporating simple natural treatments into my routine. And one of those treatments is this recipe I'm sharing with you today. This treatment helped me move past that stagnant stage and supported my hair growth journey to the length that I have now. So if you've been feeling discouraged or wondering why your hair growth progress seems so slow, then stay with me, because in this video I'm showing you exactly how I make this treatment, how I use it, and why it has become one of my favorite additions to my hair care routine. But before we proceed, please hit the like button, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button. So from the start, you already know that one of the ingredients to be using is cinnamon. So I'll be using 2 medium-sized cinnamon sticks. Get 2 pieces of cinnamon stick. Go ahead and wash them properly in order to get rid of dust and dirt. Then go ahead and pieces it into smaller sizes. Get a very clean glass jar or a stainless bowl and pour all your cinnamon right in. There are so many other methods you can use to prepare this, but this particular method I'm using gives me the assurance that all the minerals and the nutrients of the ingredients are well preserved. Then I will go in and add 1 cup of clean water into the glass jar. You can use a stainless bowl if you don't have a glass jar. Because we are using the infusion method, we are going to go ahead and cover this up, allow it to sit for at least 24 hours. You can also allow this to sit for more than 24 hours. The truth is that the longer this sits, the more stronger and potent it becomes. I always leave this to sit for just 24 hours. Trust me, if you have a very sensitive scalp, you don't want to leave this to infuse for more than 24 hours, because when this gets too strong, it might irritate your scalp. This infusion method allows this cinnamon to gently release all its nutrients, all its minerals, without any of the nutrients being damaged. And now it's time to go ahead and add my coffee. I'll be using plain instant coffee. Make sure not to use a 3-in-1 or any other coffee that has sugar added in it or any other thing mixed with it. Make sure you're using the plain coffee. Coffee is one of the most underrated ingredients when it comes to hair growth. Coffee contains caffeine, which is one of the most discussed ingredients in the hair growth research. So for this treatment, I'll be using 1 tablespoon. What I have here is a half tablespoon, so I will go ahead and add 2 of it into my cinnamon water. Now here is the big deal about coffee. Coffee contains caffeine, and caffeine helps interact with hair follicles and helps support the growth phase of the hair cycle. And this is one of the reasons why caffeine is commonly included in many of commercial hair products that you buy. And when you combine it with cinnamon, coffee creates this powerful scalp focus treatment which aims at stimulating your hair follicles and help boost faster hair growth. After adding in your coffee, you want to go ahead and give that a very thorough mix so that everything can combine properly. Then it's time to strain this. You're going to use either a cheesecloth, a stockings, a strainer, anything at all that can help you strain this perfectly. This particular treatment is a game changer and I can't wait for you to try it and give me feedback. Just make sure to try out this recipe if you're struggling with slow hair growth, thinning edges, excessive shedding, or maybe your hair simply doesn't seem to be growing the way you would like. Then this treatment is definitely worth trying. One thing I've learned on my hair growth journey is that healthy hair growth starts with a healthy scalp. It doesn't matter how many products you apply to your hair if you're not paying attention to the scalp where your hair is actually growing from. You might likely not be seeing any result in the length and the thickness of your hair and even the overall health of your hair. And that's why I love this particular treatment, because the combination of the cinnamon and coffee is all about stimulating the scalp and giving it the attention it needs. Cinnamon is known for its warming and stimulating properties, while coffee is a popular ingredient in many hair growth treatments because of its caffeine content. And if your goal is to grow longer, fuller, and more healthier hair, then creating the right environment for your hair follicles is very important. And this treatment is designed to do exactly that by supporting scalp stimulation and circulation, which are essential parts of a healthy hair growth routine. This particular treatment has helped me a lot in my hair growth journey, and I hope you give it a try. After all, there is no harm in trial, right? And of course, knowing how to prepare this is one part, and knowing how to use it effectively in order to get the result you actually need is another part. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use this in order to maximize all its benefits and get that desired result that you need. So I always use this treatment while on protective styles, and that is because I am always on protective style. And that does not mean you need to be on protective style to use this treatment. You can always use this treatment regardless of your hair condition. If you're on protective styles, if your hair is out, or maybe you have a dreadlock, as long as you can access your scalp, you can use this treatment. If your hair is out, you want to make sure to part your hair so you can have a very easy access to your scalp. Before you start using this treatment on your scalp, you need to make sure your scalp is clean. There is no form of buildup or anything that is going to hinder this treatment from penetrating into your hair follicles. And I like using this treatment as a leave-in treatment. That means I don't wash it out, but you can also decide to wash yours out. Just apply it, allow it for some time, then go ahead and rinse out with a clean water. But trust me, this doesn't smell bad at all, so I'm sure you're going to love the smell, and you can also use it as a leave-in treatment. That way, this gets to sit longer on your scalp and you get to enjoy all the benefits. Or should I just say, if you want a very fast result, if you want a faster result, please use this as a leave-in spray. Since this treatment boosts blood circulation and targets your follicles, you should pay more attention on your scalp while applying this spray, and you can slightly extend it to the strands of your hair. And after that, you're going to use your fingertips to gently massage this treatment into your scalp for at least 3 to 5 minutes. This particular step is a must because scalp massage itself helps to stimulate circulation, making it an excellent addition to this treatment. So you can use your fingertips to massage your scalp in a circular motion, or you can use a manual massager to massage your scalp. Just make sure to do this for at least 3 to 5 minutes or even more. For excellent results, you can use this treatment at least 3 to 4 times in a week. And don't forget to store in a refrigerator so this treatment can remain fresh for at least 7 to 10 days. And if you notice any foul smell, please do well to discard and make a fresh one. And of course, no treatment works with just one application. Consistency is key, and you need to be consistent with this treatment. And within 2 weeks of using this, you should see a very noticeable result. You will start seeing some baby hairs forming, and the overall health of your hair is going to get better. Just stay consistent. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe if you've not. See you on my next video. Bye.